complete WordPress form builder. So we have made it. The success is showing from here, and this is we made it, and success like form entry 71, and contact from the submitted time, address, IP address, and name, phone, all form data. So this is here. This is the form entry. This is the setting. So we have honeypot field, magic form. So there's a draft when you will publish automatically showing. So automatically showing it how many entries comes per form. So all form showing, also the published it. So you can use it. This form is this, you can visit it and show how the automatically entries from option we have made. Submitted document, project file, budget, option, phone number, putting this number, everything you need to put, then it will be shown. Then put a number, then it will show. I have put a wrong number and fire the button and showing you the response that math answer is incorrect. So you have to put 100% math number, okay, math answer, otherwise form never submitted.